Hi, my name is Brian Larson, and today I will be giving an update on my Capstone research project. I will be studying data related to the tidewater goby. For anyone unfamiliar with the tidewater goby, it is a small fish which is about 2 inches long. It lives at the bottom of shallow, brackish bodies of water, particularly lagoons, marshes, and estuaries along most of the California coast. You see in the map, these black dots correspond to sites where tidewater gobies have been found. It was declared endangered in 1994. The central hypothesis I will be studying is how do climate events such as El Nino and drought affect the tidewater goby population in terms of how many sites are they occupying, how many new sites have they colonized, or how many previously occupied sites have they been extirpated from. To answer this, I will be looking at population data as it relates to El Nino and La Nina events, droughts, amount of rainfall, and temperature. The initial data set provides data on surveys from 286 sites across the California coast going as far back as 1857. I will be specifically looking at which of these sites had a present tidewater goby population in a given year, and during which years sites had their populations extirpated or were recolonized following 1 or more years of extirpation. To do this, I'll be looking at the following variables: presence or absence, which indicates were any tidewater gobies observed at a site during a survey. Population status, referring to how many tidewater gobies were found during a survey. El Nino, referring to was there an El Nino event during a given year. Annual precipitation, as in the total amount of rainfall at a given site in a given year. And temperature, which is the average high and low temperatures at a given site in a given year. This visualization is an example I made up using made up numbers to show how I plan to visually display the data I'm looking at. So I have a trend line representing the total number of sites occupied by tidewater gobies overlaid on a bar graph showing the total annual precipitation. My intention is that this kind of data visualization will show whether or not there is a correlation between tidewater goby populations and other climate-related factors. This chart can be easily reproduced to show temperature, El Nino events, or any other variables relating to climate that I think would be sanguine to my research. So thank you for following along my update, and follow the progress at my blog at capstoneblog.brianlarsonscience.cikeys.com.